In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build requirements, traceability with Jira. This is a fundamental skill for anyone looking to ensure that all project requirements are accounted for and linked properly throughout the development lifecycle. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Atlassian's collaboration software page, which serves software, IT, and business teams. Atlassian is the creator of Jira and provides a robust platform that enables teams to track and manage their projects accurately. If you're not already familiar with their website, take a moment to explore the different products and solutions they offer. It's always beneficial to have a good grasp of the tools at your disposal. Once you're on the Atlassian site, the next step is to click on Sign In at the top of the page. Enter your login credentials to gain access to your account. This part should be straightforward, but if you're having trouble, don't hesitate to refer to your company's IT support or check out Atlassian's help resources for account-related issues. After signing in, navigate to Jira Home. Here, you can get an overview of your projects and access specific details regarding the tasks and issues you're working on. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this dashboard, as it can provide valuable insights and updates. Now, you'll need to select the project you want to work within. Go through your list of projects, and once you find the right one, simply click on it. This step ensures that all the requirements and tasks you're tracing are linked correctly within the appropriate project framework. With your project selected, find and click on a specific task or issue. A task in Jira represents a single piece of work that needs to be done and can encompass various requirements or dependencies that need to be managed. Next, you'll see the option to click on Linked Work Items. This feature is crucial for maintaining traceability because it allows you to view all related tasks and their statuses, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Examine how tasks are linked and note any dependencies that might affect your project's timeline. To add a new linked work item, click on Create Linked Work Item. This step is where you can input new tasks or responsibilities that arise during your project development. Ensure that each new item is detailed and accurately reflects the work required to avoid any misunderstandings later on. Finally, click on Is Blocked By to indicate dependencies. This feature is particularly useful for recognizing which tasks are holding up progress. By clearly marking dependencies, you can manage resources better and adjust timelines proactively to meet project deadlines. That's it. By following these steps, you've now set up a comprehensive requirements traceability system using Jira. Remember, maintaining clarity in task management is key to successful project completion. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your projects more effectively.